Today is Wednesday, February 16, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of San Diego. The temperature today should reach up to 60 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 50%. You can expect 0.18 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Not many clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 14 miles per hour. Small craft advisory remains in effect until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Wednesday. West winds 15 to 25 knots with gusts to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 13 feet. Where, waters from San Mateo point to the Mexican border. Extending 30 to 60 nanometers out including San Clemente Island and coastal waters from San Mateo point to the Mexican border and out to 30 nanometers. When, until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts, conditions will be hazardous to small craft. And now for the news. Warning, some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other California news, victim's rape kit helped identify her as a suspect in another case, DA says. It was not immediately clear how many law enforcement agencies or crime labs use DNA collected from victims of sexual assault to identify them as possible suspects in unrelated cases. That's it, California. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM API), which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).